Hello, my name is Ryan Osborne with Citadel Insurance Services and the Inspector Pro Insurance Program. Today we're going to talk about E&O and General Liability Insurance. And the biggest question we get on both of them, which is what's the difference? Why would I need both? So let's begin by defining errors and omissions insurance, or E&O. E&O, sometimes referred to as professional liability insurance, is a form of liability insurance that helps protect and defend professional advice and service providing individuals and companies from a negligence claim and damages awarded in such a civil lawsuit. But seriously, what does that really mean? Well, E&O insurance is coverage for claims that arise when an inspector misses something in the inspection or fails to report the defective item on his or her inspection report. Let's look at some examples. Failure to report the water damage you see in this picture and failure to report the hole in the wall could lead to an E&O claim. Not reporting the missing tiles you see in this picture or on the rest of the roof could also lead to an E&O claim. Failure to note or report that this deck is improperly supported could lead to an E&O claim. And finally, not noticing or reporting the water damage contained in this basement or the standing water on the floor also have the potential to lead to an E&O claim. Now for general liability. What is it? General liability insurance protects the insured in the event that he or she is sued for claims that come within the coverage of the insurance policy. So generally, these risks may include bodily injury or property damage that are caused by direct or indirect actions of you. And again, seriously, what does that really mean? Well, general liability insurance is there in the event that you cause damage to the home or business that you're inspecting, or that someone is injured through your actions or inactions while you do your job. Let's look at some general liability examples. If you did something in the home or building that caused drywall dust to be on the floor, the cleanup of that drywall dust could be a general liability claim. In most cases it wouldn't be, but it could be. However, the hole that you caused in the ceiling that made the drywall dust, that would be a general liability claim. Another example of a general liability claim would be if you were inspecting a condo building and were looking in the attic and stepped on the fire suppression system on the sprinkler pipe and broke it, causing water damage to flow down through 3 floors of the condo building. The damage and resulting cleanup would be a general liability claim. Because both general liability and errors and omissions hazards exist every time you do your job as a home and building inspector, we've included both coverages as part of the Inspector Pro Insurance Program policy. We also have endorsements that you can add to your policy for the other inspections that you do to help you sleep better at night. Things like mold, septic, pool and spa, radon, termite, mortgage field services, and many others. You can learn more about our policy and program by going to www.inspectorproinsurance.com or calling one of our agents direct at 801-610-2700.